Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by heating the liquid so the starch gelatinizes. Bring 1 cup water, 2 tablespoon neutral oil, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1/4 tsp salt to a simmer. Once it boils, remove from heat and add 1 cup all-purpose flour all at once, stirring vigorously so a paste forms. This creates the structure in place of eggs. If you want extra lift and silkiness, fold in 3 tablespoon aquafaba now, mixing until smooth. Avoid overmixing. You want a pipeable, thick chew-like dough. Once your dough is pipeable, set a thermometer and heat your oil to 175 degrees 185 degrees C, 350 degrees 365 degrees F. Accurate temperature prevents soggy middles. Fit a large star tip to a piping bag and fill it. Pipe 4 6-inch strips directly into the oil or onto a tray for quick transfer. Fry in small batches so temperature recovers, usually about 2 to 3 minutes per side, turning once for even color. Make sure you don't overcrowd the pan. Spacing keeps the oil temperature stable and the exterior crisp. You'll finish by removing churros to a wire rack for 30 to 60 seconds so they stop steaming. Then immediately toss them in a bowl of 1/2 cup sugar mixed with 1 tsp cinnamon so the coating sticks. Serve warm with a thick chocolate or dulce de leche dip. If you find raw centers, make sure the oil is hotter and pieces are smaller. If they're greasy, the oil was too cool or you overcrowded the pan. Adjust temperature and batch size and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.